Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe to be the best Ninja Turtle water bottles for kids. The Zach Designs Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Kids Water Bottle. If you're on the hunt for a fun, durable, and practical water bottle that your kids will love, this one checks all the boxes. Right off the bat, these water bottles are designed with kids in mind, featuring vibrant Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles designs that instantly catch the eye of any young fan. But they're not just about looks. Each bottle holds 16 ounces of liquid, making it the perfect size for school, travel, or outdoor adventures. The dimensions are compact enough for little hands, measuring just over 6.5 inches tall and around 3 inches wide, which means it easily fits into most backpacks and car cup holders. Durability is key for kids' products, and Zach Designs delivers with these bottles made from BPA-free, break-resistant polypropylene plastic. This material is not only safe but built to withstand the rough and tumble of everyday use. Plus, they're dishwasher safe on the top rack, making cleanup a breeze for busy parents. One of the standout features is the leak-proof design. The lid screws on securely, and the pop-up spout has a flip-up lock to prevent accidental spills. This means you don't have to worry about leaks in school bags or car seats. When it's time to drink, kids can easily open the spout with one hand thanks to a convenient button that pops the straw up. The built-in straw is removable, so it can be thoroughly cleaned, maintaining hygiene. Speaking of hygiene, the spout cover keeps the drinking area clean when not in use, which is perfect for travel or keeping the bottle safe from germs around the house. The flip-top cover also locks in place to prevent spills, adding an extra layer of protection. Another thoughtful detail is the carrying handle built into the lid. It makes these bottles easy for kids to hold or clip onto a backpack, perfect for active days. The design balances fun and function, encouraging kids to stay hydrated without fuss. In terms of style, Zach Designs offers these water bottles with colorful, glossy finishes featuring all 4 Ninja Turtles: Donatello, Leonardo, Michelangelo, and Raphael, so kids can pick their favorite hero. The playful theme makes drinking water exciting, which can be a big help for parents trying to promote healthy hydration habits. The bottles come in a convenient 2-pack, giving families great value whether you want one for home and one for school or to share between siblings. Each bottle weighs just under 5 ounces, keeping them lightweight and easy for children to carry around. To sum it up, the Zach Designs Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Kids Water Bottle offers a perfect blend of durability, safety, and kid-friendly features. It's BPA-free, easy to clean, spill-proof, and designed to fit comfortably in little hands. Plus, the fun Ninja Turtle theme makes it a hit with kids of all ages. If you're looking for a reliable water bottle that will keep your kids hydrated and happy, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. Stay hydrated, and we'll see you in the next video.